Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special lined up for you. We recently visited the brand new The Big Barbeque Nation in Chennai's Little Mount, and we can't wait to share our experience with you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Barbeque Nation knows how to make lunch memorable. We spent nearly 4 hours indulging in their buffet spread from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And let me tell you, it was worth every minute. For 950 rupees per person, we enjoyed a wide range of non-vegetarian delights, starting with crispy corn and welcome drinks. Plus, the breathtaking city view from the 10th floor made the experience even more special. The main course was a feast with multiple options for chicken, mutton, veg, and even noodles. And let's talk about desserts. They had a delightful variety. Don't forget to try the chat area and their mouth-watering ice cream selection. finally, let's talk about the overall experience. I highly recommend the Big Barbeque Nation for 2 reasons. Firstly, the ambience. Located on the 10th floor, the view of the city while enjoying your lunch or dinner is simply breathtaking. It sets them apart from other barbecue joints. And secondly, the space. Barbeque Nation is enormous, with separate areas that make even a crowded gathering feel spacious. And one more thing. Barbeque Nation goes the extra mile by offering different flavors of chicken upon request. I tried the Malai chicken and Haryali chicken, and they were absolutely delicious. It's a nice change to try different flavors instead of sticking to just one.